Welcome back to my channel. So hi guys. So basically what I'm going to do today is I am going to go over my nighttime skincare routine. I know I've done videos on this before, however my skincare has changed a little bit based off of my skincare needs and things that I have changed up and things that I have learned throughout my skincare journey. So basically I just finished showering. I washed my face with Cerave facial cleanser, and then I also used this Derma Flash tool. So this is a extraction tool for your skin. Basically what you have to do is you have to use this tool while your face is wet. So I like to use it in the shower. I'm not sure if it's 100% waterproof, but this has an extraction and an infusion part to it. So the first button you click is the extraction. So basically what you do is you wet your face, and while your face is wet, you're going to move in upward motions to get rid of any dead skin or blackheads. Now this is not going to remove everything. Disclaimer, it will not remove everything. However, it does a really good job at removing blackheads and little whiteheads that you may have on your skin. I tend to use it more on my T-zone area, so I'll use it on my forehead, my nose, and my chin, because I notice that's where I have more of like the dead skin and all like the blackheads and things like that. And my face is a little red, as you can see from actually using the tool. So right now I'm just gonna do a quick video on my nighttime skincare. And like I said, it's switched up from what I typically have done in the past, just because I'm trying out new things. So first, after I wash my face, I want to use a toner. So I use the Fresh Deep Hydration Facial Toner, which is this one. So I received this in a pack. I don't know how much I paid for it, but I'll put it in the description below. It was a package that Sephora had that had this, the moisturizer, a lip scrub, and the soy facial cleanser. Facial cleanser I haven't really used much. I did try to use it once, but it really didn't remove a lot of makeup. The Cerave does a really good job at removing everything off of your face, whether it's makeup or anything on your face. The Cerave is excellent at removing, and I usually just double cleanse by using it twice. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, you're gonna put it on a cotton swab. So I'm just putting it on there, and then I'm just gonna move this around my face like that. It smells really good, and it's just very soothing to the skin. And I like to I've been trying to use toners more after I get out the shower, because they say it's really good at restoring your pH. And I've noticed that my skin has been a lot better and has broken out less with me incorporating a toner prior to my nighttime skincare routine. So just pass this around my face. And I got these from Amazon. They are the large cotton ovals by Intrinsics Naturally, and these are really good because they don't break apart like I used the Swiss Spurs, but those like break apart for some reason. When I put like anything on them and I put them on my face, I noticed that the little particles come off. But this one's really good. It stays on and it's really durable, and I like that it's a large oval cotton round. So after I've done my toning, I use the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Cream, and it smells delicious, and it's really nourishing, and it really has a luxurious feel to it. So it's really creamy, and I think just good enough for the nighttime and for you to sleep with it. So basically what I do is I take some in my hands, and I will put this all over my skin. And you make sure you want to be gentle when you're applying your products. You don't want to be too rough. So I'm just applying this all over, and it just has a really silky feel to it. Don't forget your neck. You want to make sure you're doing everything in an upward motion. Like so. And you want to get under your eyes to moisturize that area as well. If you want to use an eye cream, you can. But I know, like, when I've watched other YouTube videos of like Cassandra and Hiram, they always comment, say how like under eye cream is just overpriced moisturizer. So I don't necessarily buy under eye cream, but I can see the benefit. If you want extra moisture for your eyes, then it may be beneficial for you. But for me, I don't really use it much. So after I put my moisturizer and I've used my toner, what I like to utilize is, when I tell you I love this product, I absolutely love this product. This is a product I think I will buy over and over again because I just feel like it's so good. I don't know why. It's just really, really good. So this is the Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Sleep Mask. And this thing is like a miracle in a jar. When I tell you, when I use this at nighttime and I wake up in the morning, my skin is just so glowy. Like, it's really awesome. So it comes with a little spoon. So what I'll do is I will take a little bit like that. Then you put it on your hands like so. And then usually what I'll do is I'll just rub it between my fingers and I'll put it on my face. Now this is a sleeping mask. I wouldn't recommend using it during the day because it does peel. So if you do plan on using it, it will peel and it won't look cute. So I highly recommend you using it at night. It's very hydrating and it has such an odd consistency. It's like jelly, but it smells amazing and it just is so good and leaves your skin feeling so moisturized in the mornings. So this is like great. I love it. I would highly recommend. And I have combination skin, so my T-zone is typically oily and sometimes I get dryness in my cheek areas. So typically this is oily. This will be a little more on the dry side. So I would say I have kind of combination skin. It's more on the oily side, but it's definitely combination because there's times where I'm like, what the heck's going on? My face is super dry. But it's always my T-zone that's pretty much oily. And, you know, just to throw that in so you guys can kind of have an idea. If you have my same skin type, then you kind of know what products may work for you. Like I said, these products might not work for everyone, but I do enjoy using these products because they have been working for me and I really like the way my skin has been lately. So don't mind the redness, it'll go away. It's because I use the extraction tool. But that's pretty much it. I wanted just to do a quick video to show you guys what I like to use at nighttime right now. It may change up in the future depending on how my skin feels. I don't like to change my products too often because I want my skin to get accustomed to a routine, because I notice that if I do tend to switch on my products too much, then my skin may break out because it just doesn't really know what to do. But if you guys have any questions about any of the products I use, please ask them down below. I will also link the products down below so that way you guys can see the products for yourself and see if it's something that you might be interested in getting. If you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to watch other videos that I post. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.